learners, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fabulous. So in this video I'm going to show you how to import CAD file to Revit software. So if you guys find this video useful, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell notification icon so that you will get updates when I post new video. Okay, now let's get started. So first of all, let's just create a new project file. To do that, go over here under project, select the option new, and then select the template file you prefer. I'm going to select architectural template and then create new project. Click OK. So we have our project file here. So let us just set up the levels first. So to do that, just go to this project browser, and then under elevation select any elevations. I'm going to select this east, and let us rename this level. Okay, this will be ground, and that will be at the height 0, and this will be the ground floor, so GF, and at height maybe 400. Okay, so that's done. Now let's just let me just drag this line so that it don't look messed up. Going to click on this break line and then just drag this to here. Click on this break line. So that's it. Okay, so we have our levels here, and then let's just go to the ground floor plan. Now before importing, you have to prepare your AutoCAD file. So this is our floor plan. So if you want to delete furnitures or these annotations, that just delete that layer from AutoCAD plan before importing, and make sure you are positioning it in 00. So to do that, just copy this CAD plan and then go to new project file, and then control V, paste it. So now it's showing specify insertion point. Just press 0 comma 0 and then enter. So we have the CAD file here. Now let's just import it. So to import, go to this insert tab and then click on this import CAD ribbon, and then we have the CAD file here. Just single click on it. Okay, don't double click. If you double click on the plan, it will open right away, so don't do that. Just single click. Okay, and then we have many options over here. So for color, I'm going to select preserve. You can select black and white also, so that the plan will be in black and white in Revit. And for layers or levels, select all, and then import units. Just select the unit in which the CAD plan is. So mine is in millimeters, so I'm just selecting the millimeter unit, and then positioning origin to origin and place at GF, and then click open. So once it's loaded, just double click your cursor. So we have our CAD file here. Okay, and we have another option also in this insert tab. There is a ribbon called link CAD. So if you select this, the same options will come. So just select the one you prefer and then click open. Okay, so that's how you import your CAD file to Revit software. And that's all for now. If you guys find this video useful, please like and share this video, and subscribe to my channel and please click on the bell notification icon and turn on it. So thank you. Bye. Let's meet in the next video.